Hello kids, it's Shazi. Today, we learn the alphabet letter A to Z. Let's trace and paint them together. Uppercase, N. Lowercase, n. N for nail.
Father and I went down to camp along with Captain Gooding, and there we saw the men and boys as thick as hasty pudding.
N for nose.
Mind the music and the step, and with the girls be handy.
Uppercase, O.
And there was
Lowercase, o.
gentle folks about him. They say he's grown so tarnal proud he will not ride without them. Yankee Doodle, keep it up. Yankee Doodle dandy. Mind the music and the step, and with the girls be handy.
O for octopus. O for orange.
Yankee Doodle went to town riding on a pony.
Uppercase, P.
In his hat and called it macaroni. Yankee Doodle, keep it up. Yankee Doodle dandy. Mind the music.
Lowercase,
Step, and
p.
with the girls be handy.
P for paint. P for popcorn. Uppercase, Q. Lowercase, q. Q for question. Q for queen. Please like and subscribe to my channel.